Good day everyone and welcome back for another video. Right now I'm trying to receive the SAQ transmission. They had one earlier in the morning. Well, it was around noon my time here in Brasov, but I missed it because I went to the store, and you know my way, I have to walk 2 kilometers back and forward to the only store that's here. And right now it's 3:30 basically UTC PM, and they're supposed to warm up the transmitter and start the test transmission. So I have a strange setup over here. I'm trying to see if I can receive the transmission with this one, the test transmission, and if I don't hear anything, then I'm going to go back to plan B, hoping that at least I can receive the main transmission. And for that I'm going to use the Spherix receiver. I had this one presented in the past here on the YouTube channel, and actually the first transmission from SAQ that I received was with this one, used together with the SAQ RX software that it's available for download, and you can use it on your computer. So I'm just going to play around here a little bit, see if I can receive the test transmission. If not, then probably I'm going to go to plan B and see if I can receive the station this way. So fingers crossed it's going to work. But let me show you the setup really quick before I start making adjustments and to see if I can receive anything. So over here I have the QRP guys digital transceiver. I built the third low pass filter for the 30 meters band, because if you remember, if you watched the videos, I wasn't sure for which band I'm going to build the third low pass filter. Where now I do, because I needed 10 megahertz for this transmission. And then I have the VLF up converter, which I also presented in an older YouTube video. Here I have the bandpass filter for CW. You can hear the difference that it makes, and everything goes through the Tascam audio recorder, and after that it goes into the computer, so I can actually hear something while I'm recording. And yeah, I'm actually curious if I'm able to receive anything, but I don't receive anything yet. I do receive VLF. So this is the transmission from VLF on 18.10 kilohertz. But SAQ, it's on 17.2 kilohertz, and I don't hear anything at this point. I will not carry on with this VLF transmission without saying thank you to my friends at PCBWay for always sponsoring and supporting the DX Explorer channel. They have great PCB prototyping services, PCB assembly, SMD stencils, CNC, 3D printing, and a lot more available for you. Don't forget to take advantage of the 12th anniversary event that they have right now on the website. I will put all the details down in the video description. There will be a lot available for you, a lot of surprises, and yeah, you should take advantage of this. So we'll have to say happy anniversary PCBWay very soon. And always don't forget about the projects that I'm presenting here in the YouTube videos. Right now they are all in the website. In the shop side there's a special menu with PCB boards, and you can go over there, pick up the project that interests you, and you can order it directly from PCBWay, either as a PCB board or as an assembled version. As I'm always saying, PCBWay is the way. So it's 3:42 PM UTC time. I still cannot hear any test transmission yet, but I'm still going to wait a little bit longer. I do receive VLF, but I don't hear the... Wow. I don't hear the the SAQ station. Interesting. I also receive a lot of interference, yeah. It is what it is. I'm using the end-fed half-wave antenna, but by the way, I connected only the center wire, basically the center wire of the coax to the VLF up converter to the input, just because it will not work with a regular coax cable, simply because of the impedance transformer. I think last time I used the Spherix receiver with a 20 meters band vertical antenna, and that one worked just with like regular coax, but yeah, I still don't hear anything. I'm going to wait. It's 3:44 p.m. UTC, so I'm going to wait until 55, and if I still don't hear anything, then I'm just going to swap really quick to the Spherix receiver. 3:47 and I still don't hear anything, so I'm going to prepare the Spherix receiver just in case, so I can make a quick swap and see if it works that way. But I'm going to wait at least 5 more minutes. I don't know, what time is it? 3:50 p.m. UTC. But since it's the test transmission, let me try this one as well. I'm going to lower the volume over there. Let me move the transceiver. I need to disconnect the antenna. I'll do a quick swap over here. Let's see if I can manage to connect. Alright, and now I need to remove this cable. And place it straight. No, this one goes straight into the computer, I forgot. But then I won't be able to record. Not good. This is complicated stuff. Nope, same thing over here, so I'm going to go back to the usual setup. I need to move fast. I'm pretty sure the test is not at full power, so that's the reason. It might be weak signal, but Nothing stops me from trying. Okay, we're back to normal. I hear something, but it's really weak. Yeah, I definitely hear the test signal. But you probably hear in the recording that the signal is pretty weak. Well, if it works, it works. If it doesn't work, I know I tried, right? Let's tune it a little bit. Alright, so we are recording. It's 1 minute until the transmission starts, and they already started. I'm recording the entire message. The signal is really weak. I have to be honest that on the end-fed half wave, on the vertical antenna, I used to receive them better than the end-fed half wave. Because technically 17.2 kilohertz is VLF, and VLF is not affected by propagation conditions as I thought initially. It's weak, but at least I hear something. But I get a lot of interference from something. You open up the filter a little bit. Nope, opening up the CW filter doesn't seem to help. Nope, weak signal. It comes and it goes. I'm going to do like the movie Contact. I need a bigger antenna. Something for VLF. But not in this location where I am right now. I need to move first. By the way, in the video, what you're listening to, it will probably be the audio recorded on top of whatever I'm recording right now. so you get to hear better whatever I hear. Really weak signal. Anyhow, I'm not going to keep this video longer, and I'm going to stop here. I'm going to listen to the recording as well to see if it sounds better than when I hear on the laptop, but probably I won't. And I'll see you in the next video. Definitely I need a better setup next time. Unfortunately I don't have another HF, I don't have any HF transceiver anymore at this point. It's a long story. But probably with the SAQ, with the G106, I would definitely have better results, because that one was working fantastic with the VLF up converter. Unfortunately, I had to say goodbye to all my gear, most of it. Probably one day I'll get things back. But yeah, I'll continue listening and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, thanks so much for watching. I hope I didn't waste your time, but this is amateur radio, sometimes successful, sometimes not. Seems like life most of the time. So yeah, have a fantastic rest of the week, and I'll see you in the next video.